Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the specific effect that triggers the message. Scrub the timeline and solo the clip so only that layer plays. This isolates the problem. Once done, watch CPU and GPU meters while toggling the effect on and off to confirm impact. Make sure to note project resolution, clip codecs, and source frame rates because those factors magnify processing cost. Now you have evidence to proceed. Keep the offending clip selected so you can modify settings immediately. Next, reduce the workload so preview and export run smoothly. First, switch playback resolution to 1/2 or 1/4 and enable proxies if your editor supports them. This preserves timing while lowering compute. Then, transcode heavy compressed files to an edit-friendly codec like ProRes or DNxHR, or create proxy files. Also, collapse complex stacks into a pre-rendered clip or render the effect region. This avoids recalculating every frame. These steps cut processing overhead while keeping visual fidelity during editing. To finish, render the affected section or export a short high-quality test to verify fixes. If you used proxies, switch back to full-resolution media before final render. Make sure project and renderer settings match your delivery requirements. Mismatches force reprocessing. If performance still lags, update GPU drivers and the editing app, purge media cache, and check disk speed. Slow drives throttle exports. One key troubleshooting tip. If behavior persists, disable the effect and render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.